sana.
Hello guys, how are you doing? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Real West Kid, the Real West Kid in town. And guys, as you can see, I'm in the village, Africa, Kenya, with who?
Miss Westgate.
Yeah, I'm here with Miss West Kid, and we are coming live from a village in Africa, Kenya. And this, as you can see, we are in our house in the village. This is a rented house, and I just came here to visit her, and today is the day that I'll be going back to Nairobi, and I'll be traveling at night. So this is just a saying that bye to her, though soon we will meet again, because she may follow me to Nairobi soon, because I am just leaving her to do some arrangements. Maybe in 1 week's time she will be with me in Nairobi. And the reason I came here to visit her in the village is because we came to close down one of our businesses in the village that we had started in 2023, but due to high maintenance and high operation costs, we saw it's well that we close it down, because it was no longer profitable. It was punching us into a lot of losses. That's why it was wise that she involved me in closing it. So that's why I traveled officially to come and close the business down. And I'm very sad about closing that business, because we were optimistic that it's the one that has been sustaining us and keeping us in the village and so on. So due to that, we may not continue staying in the village, but we will have to look for something else, another source of income that we will be able to make sure that we have at least an income. And because right now I'm doing my attachment at the university, and this is my last year, I'm trying to go back to school and finish my studies. But for Miss Westkid, then she will have to look for another thing to do, of which maybe hopefully she'll get something to do in Nairobi. And I just want to tell her that goodbye, I love you so much, and when you stay, take care of yourself, and maybe we will meet soon in 1 week's time when you will come to Nairobi. I'll be happy to come and meet you and receive you. So what do you have to say?
Thanks for loving me.
Okay. Welcome. Anything else?
But it's so sad. I'm remaining here alone.
Okay. Can you talk with the voice, with the volume?
I'm saying that it's too sad. I'm remaining here alone. No one to talk with. Just remaining alone.
Oh, I'm sad. I'm sad too that I'm leaving you alone here, but it will not be that long. In a week's time, make sure that you arrange everything. You can sell even the beds and all the other belongings, like everything that belongs here. You can sell, so that at least you get some money that we will use while in Nairobi, isn't it? Yeah. So me, I just want to leave, and hopefully everything will be okay, right? Yo, what do you have to tell our viewers today? Nothing. So guys, right from here I'll be traveling to my mom's place to go and see our junior, that is Westkid Junior, because Westkid Junior is started school the other day, and we had to take him stay with my mom, so that at least she can have a better and stable life. So from here I'll be passing by my mom's place to go and see Westkid Junior, and by evening, at night, I'll be traveling officially from Uasin Gishu County to Nairobi City. So make sure that you follow up this journey, like, share, comment, and everything will be okay. So after this vlog, I'm showing you how everything looks like in the village. Then after that, I'll also show you how we will be going to Nairobi and so on. So make sure that you subscribe to this YouTube channel, and we will be making videos with Miss Westkid. And right now she's naive because she's not used to the camera, but with the time she will get used to it, isn't it? But she's a very funny lady, and when you get used to her, you will enjoy a lot watching her and her videos. So make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel. And this is Real Westkid. Maybe Real Westkid, before I close or before I finish this vlog, can you tell us how has been the journey of our marriage and so on? You know, people can think that we just started recently, or maybe people can think that we are too young. Maybe you can tell us how old are you, and when did we start dating, and how has been the journey and so on.
Hello guys.
Yes.
I'm Westkid.
Okay.
I met with my husband 2020.
And how has been the journey?
Let me show you. Umefika wapi?
You met me in 2020. And when did we get married?
2022 Feb, Friday, date 24.
Can you repeat?
2022 February, date 24, Friday.
So that is the day that we got married officially?
Yep.
And guys, you can be thinking that maybe we just started recently. That is not the case. We started a long time ago. We were married. Actually, I went to her home, and people used to say that I'm very too young and we will not make it, but we have really tried. I used to stay with her in Nairobi, but coming 2023, things happened that I got sick, and there is no way I could be able to sustain her. That's why we decided that for me to continue with education, let her come to the village, stay, as she does some business here and there, so that life can continue. So I have been normally visiting her after every 3 months. I come see her but while she does the business. But right now, because the business is not working, we decided that now we have to close it down. And because this is a village and this is not our motherland or our ancestral land, there is no way she can continue staying here, because we just came in this area for business. Even this is not our homeland. Our homeland is in Bungoma County, but we just came here because of business. So she cannot continue staying here because of lack of livelihood and so on. So she will have to join me in Nairobi so that she can look for anything that we can be doing, and also we can stay together and so on. So our junior will continue staying with our mom until we are stable. Then he will have to join us later in Nairobi after we are stable. So we are just trying to do what? To see how God will see us through, so that everything now becomes well. Yes. So can you tell us the last words as I leave now? The parting shot.
What I can say, when you are right there in Nairobi, take care of yourself.
Okay. Then you too, when you remain here, take care of yourself, and I love you so much.
I love you too.
Okay.
Boring, very boring.
Make sure that you pack everything for me, so that I do not forget anything. Pack for me. Can you toy that key so that I can put it in my pocket?
This for your hands.
Yeah. I don't want to forget it where I put it.
Wow, this house It's going to be boring, very, very boring. Very
Only
boring.
for some few days.
Yeah. But for me, it's like a year.
Hmm?
For me, it's like a year.
Hmm. Okay, can you hurry? Can you hurry? I'm getting late. So guys, the beauty of having a wife, you see, she packs everything for you while you're just relaxing here watching her. Yo man, things are the way they are. Pack everything. You are forgetting that sweater.
Okay.
Or you'll come with it, but I don't have a sweater, so just pack it. You know,
You wear it.
no, I don't want to wear it now. Just pack it. Yeah. You know the weather is chilly and maybe it may rain while I travel. And I don't want the bag to be that heavy. I just want you to pack only important stuffs.
Done.
Done and dusted. Everything is done?
Yeah.
So I can start the journey. Isn't it? Huh? Can start the journey.
Record. Kingi. Light iko sawa.
Kwa sawa.
Iko sawa. Na hapo? Hivi. Iko sawa.
Iko sawa.
Iko sawa.
Bye. Bye.
Kushukuru na kuliinua jina lako. Nakemea ajali ambayo inaweza inuka kwa barabara baba yangu, na ikemea na iteketeze ipate kushinda katika jina la Yesu Kristo. Kuwa mwongozi mwema baba yangu, kuwa mwelekezi mwema baba yangu, na katika jina la Yesu Kristo naomba na nitakuamini.
Amen. Bye bye the village. I think this may be the last time I'm stepping in this village. I don't think I'll ever step again in this beautiful village of Africa.
Me too.
You too, and you are remaining here.
Just 1 week.
Just 1 week.
Eh?
So I'm saying that maybe this is the last time for me to step in this village, because it's only the business that used to keep us here. But since we closed down the business, she's saying her too, and I'm leaving her here. She'll have to look for like after maybe a week or so.
A week.
So she's amazing. So where are we taking the motorbike from? So guys, from here I want to take a motorbike. I will have to pay almost $1.5 to my mom's place. So I want to look for a motorbike so that I can be able to do what to arrive to my mom's place. Yeah. So guys, I could have already taken the motorbike because they are passing a lot of them, but now Miss Westkid says that she has to escort me to a far place whereby I can take from there. Yeah, poa sana. Yeah. So guys, I want to leave this village for good. And it feels nice because this may be seen as a new beginning, a new journey, a new beginning in Africa, Kenya. You believe that?
With our new journey.
Which journey? Which new journey?
Which journey? Are going to begin.
Which new journey? Can you take which new journey?
New beginning. Let me just
New beginning.
A new beginning.
Which is that beginning?
We are going to start a new life in
We are going
Nairobi.
You are going to start a new life.
I'm so amazing.
You are so amazing. You are so amazed, or you are so amazing?
Amazed.
You are so amazed.
Amazed.
Why are you so amazed?
This village.
What's wrong about this village? Because me, I like
community land.
Community land. Do you have a land here?
Huku penye tunaishi. Penye tulikuja kukaa huku.
So guys, you know, as she's saying, she don't like the village life, and maybe that is why she made sure that the business fail, so that she can now come to Nairobi. I think that is the reason.
This village is too boring.
No,
too boring.
That is the reason you made the business to fail, so that you can come to Nairobi, isn't it?
No. It's like
you know, guys.
I'm tired of living alone, guys. I'm tired.
She was always telling me, oh Robi, I want to come to Nairobi. Then I used to ask, like, how should you come to Nairobi? And for me, I don't have even enough money, and so on. And we have another business in the village. I used to tell her to make sure that she remain in the village so that she can make the business successful, because the only thing that used to keep her here is the business. But right now, it's gone. We don't have any other option. Yeah? We don't have any other option. What are the challenges of living alone as a lady? Can you tell us?
Being tempted.
With what?
With men.
So you have always been tempted with men?
Yeah, of course. A normal girl must be tempted.
So you have been... Oh my God. I didn't see that coming. You said you are always tempted because you are living alone with men. So, how many times have you been tempted to cheat me?
I've never cheated.
That is what you have said.
Yes, I've been tempted, but what can I say?
You have said very well that you are always... No, you have said that you are always tempted with men. No, that's not the issue. It's still recording. You have said that you are always tempted
with men.
So how many times have you been tempted to cheat me?
Many times, but I've never cheated on you.
What are you saying? What are you saying?
I've been tempted. But also body.
You are very funny.
No, I'm
Can
not.
You because you have said it.
Nothing like that.
You have said it. You have said it with your own mouth.
Yeah. Nimesema. But huwa najaribiwa, majaribu ni mengi.
Yes.
But what's wakubali?
Can you talk in English so that they can understand you? You said as a normal girl you are always tempted. So which means
men are just men.
Don't know what you are saying.
I know.
So you have been tempted to cheat me?
No.
You are contradicting yourself. Maybe guys, I'm not getting her. Maybe you can tell me in the comment section, what does she mean when she says that she has always been tempted by men? Does it mean that she has always been cheating on me?
No. But just know that living alone as a young lady, very bad.
Very bad.
Bad. Bad.
Then you know very well that you will leave Westkid Junior What are you planning with that? How do you think he will feel?
I know.
Seeing that you left her. You left him.
Feel bad. But we are just going to
to do what?
To look for money so that we can give him a nice life.
A nice life. Yeah, so guys, what we just want to do, because he recently started schooling and we don't want to shift him again, so let him just remain in the school that we admitted him. Maybe after 1 year, when she's done with his academic year, then we will have to take him. And also we want to go and prepare our lives so that we give him a soft landing, you know. We don't want to go with him there so that he sees life when we are not that well prepared. So we want to go and prepare ourselves, get a nice house, so that when he comes, we give him a good life. Westkid Junior. So I know most of you may be not knowing Westkid Junior, but I'm going to my mom's place. That is where we are going to meet him officially. So maybe on this vlog you'll have to see him. Yeah, so just we are walking right now and we want to go get a motorbike at a certain center, then reach to my mom's place. I don't know, today is Sunday. I don't know if she has already gone to church, but maybe I may be able to get her at home. So acha niende naso. Sasa shwali, acha niende nione. So bye.
Bye, ngoja gani hadi. Bye.
Toka gari.
Simu yangu. Tembea kwa na exami.
Bye.
Bye.